In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Facebook using Make.com. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a small business owner, or anyone looking to streamline their posting process, automating your Facebook posts can save you time and effort. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow. To get started, you first need to log into your Make.com account. Once you're in, you'll be on your dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Create a new scenario and click on it. This step is crucial, as it is the starting point for building your automated posting setup. Think of it like opening up a blank canvas where you will lay out each element needed to send your post out into the world. With your new scenario ready to go, it's time to add a module that connects to Facebook pages. In the scenario canvas, you'll notice a plus button. Clicking this will open up a search bar. Here, type in Facebook pages, and you'll see options appear. Make sure to select the appropriate action module based on the type of content you want to share. If you're planning to share a text-only post, go with Create a Post. If you're looking to share images, choose Create a Post with Photos. And if a video post is what you aim for, Upload a Video will be your pick. Selecting the right module is important as it tailors the process to the type of content you're posting, ensuring your post is accurately formatted and delivered. Next comes the part where we connect to your Facebook account. You'll need to authenticate it to allow Make.com to communicate with Facebook. Now, look for the Create a Connection option and click on it. You'll have a chance to name this connection for easy reference, which is helpful if you manage multiple accounts or pages. This connection serves as the handshake between Make.com and Facebook, allowing information to transfer securely and efficiently. Once your Facebook account is successfully connected, you can configure the rest of the scenario according to your specific needs, like inputting your post's content and scheduling it for a specific time. Remember, automation like this not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in your posting schedule, a key factor in maintaining and engaging social media presence. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you are now set up to post directly to Facebook using Make.com. Automation is a powerful tool, and by setting up scenarios like this one, you're taking a smart step in managing your online interactions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to enhance your social media strategy. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your digital life.